Shinos this season, especially appealing for the Vice President, Sara Zimmerman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christine R. Ferrer for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Carlo E. Narvasa, respectfully appearing for the respondent petition.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Wesley D. Poa, respectfully appearing for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Stephen Luan for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Bronze D. Bodota, respectfully appearing for the respondent.
Good morning, Your Honor. Roberto Narvasa Batumbacan for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justin Nicole Bicolor for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am David Renal Andol, for the respondent Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lyndon Miguel Pacuel for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Carol Grace G. Oroseo for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Curly Mirado for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Francesca Marie Flores for the Vice President.
Thank you. The appearances are duly noted for the record. At this point, just a few minutes suspension to allow our friends from the media to exit the committee.